Hello YouTube, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by if you're first time. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today I've got a new pen. Yes, I took the plunge and I bought another pen and it has arrived. So let's get into it and I'll give you my initial thoughts and impressions of this one. And I said previously on my channel last year, some of the desires that I had for fountain pens going forward is I'm kind of looking for some uniqueness in my fountain pens. Now, that being said, certain nibs are certain nibs. Jowo nibs are Jowo nibs, Schmidt nibs are Schmidt nibs, Bach nibs are Bach nibs. But I got a new pen. I don't know exactly what the nib is, and it's from Dromgoole's out of Texas. Let me just make sure they didn't put anything in the wrapping paper because I asked for a spare nib and maybe they tucked it into the box. Let's see what happens here. I hope everybody's doing well. I will not put myself on camera because I'm kind of a hot, sweaty mess coming from the gym, but I've got this nice little sticker. Oh, it looks like a boxer. Cute. And then I have got my first Hinze crafted pen. This was a Dromgoole's, Dromgoole's, I think it's how you say it, Dromgoole's, exclusive with Hinze. Oh, and they put it all in the box. And I bought a Rickshaw Bagwork sleeve. I like this one. This is Van Gogh, and it is the iris one. Nice little dark blue enclosure to nest my pen. And this is my first ever Hinze. This is a local U.S. Pen manufacturer, which I said last year I wanted to actually start using or buying pens that were not like Pilot or something like that. So there's color nib care. As you see, it's a nano ceramic lacquer that's applied with electro painting, while chemical wear resistant. Let's see here. Do not use inks from Noodler's Private Reserve. Well, I'm glad I read that. Okay, so we don't want to use those, so I can use everything else. I've got lots of other ones. And they also said, oops, sorry about that. And they also said do not use shimmer inks. So those are two things that I'm going to have to stay. Those are a few things that I'm going to have to stay away from. The spare nib is just a generic Jowo nib. Let me see if I can get this to focus in here. There we go. So there's that, and I think I got this one in a broad. Yes, I'm expanding. Let's just bring this up here. Or medium. Let me see here. I am going to have to check that. But there's the spare nib, and this is the new baby. So this is the Hinze Dromgoole's exclusive. Really like that. Oh, it's really pretty. And it looks to be, oh, there's the Hinze logo on the finial. And the other finial, it's just flat. I love the fact that it's flat. And I love the unique color of this pen. Oh, it looks like it's got some diamond casting in it. Look at that. Oh, it's really pretty. Stunning. And this is the nib, and this is why I have to be sensitive or aware of what inks I'm using. So no Private Reserve, no Noodlers because of the pH quality of their pens. The step down into the grip section looks to be unintrusive, so it looks like it's kind of comfortable, and it's kind of a nice girthy grip section. Very different. It feels good in hand though. Oh, I'm really looking forward to like writing with this pen. And let's see here. And it comes with a converter. And it looks like it would use just like a standard international long filling cartridge if I wanted to use that. Oh, that's fantastic. Nice piston action. Let me see something. There's a certain smell to this section, and that probably will give way after time, but it does have a certain smell, and I think it's just because of the treatment to get that color onto that nib section and the grip, which is absolutely gorgeous. Speaking of which, the nib unit looks like it. Let me do this. Just completely disassemble this pen. I can get that to stay. Oh, it looks like it had some ink in it, but it looks like it unscrews like a standard Yovo nib. Awesome. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to get my little cloth here on the side. I do not have an ink picked out for this pen yet, but I do really, really enjoy it. It looks like they probably dipped this in and used it potentially as a tester. I've got to find a teal ink because I think that's what I want to stick into this pen, or a purple one, but I'm writing with purples already in the month of May. So we're going to put this back together. I will do another video as a follow-up just to like give you feedback on how this pen writes. I'm not going to ink it up right now. I know you guys are probably disappointed, but that's all I really had for today. I just wanted to do the unboxing of this and show you guys the brand new pen. I don't have it inked up, I don't have an ink picked, and I want to basically find a ink that will work in that pen in that color, because that color is unique, but I think I want to try to match it to this grip section. So when you get a chance, if you guys have any ink suggestions for this blue, because I don't think I have anything quite so electric, or a purple that has, oh, I can't do a shimmer ink, but I can do a sheening ink. I don't think I want to do that either. But if you got any ink recommendations for this, let me know in the comments below. All right, well, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Really appreciate it. If you like the content, please hit the like button and smash that subscribe button so that you get new notices when new content comes out. Until next time, stay safe and take care. Bye.